In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a photo into a circle in Canva transparent backgrounds. By the end, you'll have a clean circular image you can place on any background without a visible box around it. First, head to the Uploads panel. Click Uploads and select the photo you want to crop from your computer or device. You'll see a progress bar as it imports. And once it appears in your library, it's ready to use. High-resolution images work best here, because they stay sharp when resized inside the circle. Next, add a circle frame. Go to the Elements tab on the left. Scroll down until you find Frames, and choose the simple circle. Frames are important because they're not just shapes, they're containers that mask your image perfectly to that outline. If you accidentally choose a solid circle shape instead of a frame, the image won't snap inside. So make sure it has the little landscape icon that indicates it's a frame. Now, crop the photo into that frame. Drag your uploaded image from the Uploads panel directly over the circle until you see it highlight and snap into place. Release your mouse, and the photo will automatically fill the circle. That snap is Canva confirming the image is correctly masked. To fine-tune it, double-click the framed image. This opens the adjustment view so you can reposition or resize the photo within the circle. Click and drag to center your subject and use the corner handles to scale the image up or down. Keep an eye on important details near the edges so nothing gets unintentionally cut off. If your subject is off center, a slight nudge usually fixes it. Zooming the canvas in can help you be more precise. When it looks right, it's time to download with a transparent background. Click Share in the top right corner and choose Download. Set the file type to PNG. Since PNG supports transparency and keeps edges crisp, check the transparent background box. This option requires Canva Pro or the free trial. And if it's grayed out, that's why. Finally, click Download. Your file will save as a clean circular PNG with no background, perfect for websites, presentations, social media, or layering over any color or image without a white square showing. That's it. Thanks for watching.